Hello, my name is Bastiaan Hofsteenge. I'm the CTO of Enatom, and for the last year we've been working really hard in making our Enatom experience available on augmented and virtual reality devices. So what we managed at Enatom for VR is to kind of combine streaming technology with very highly realistic models in order to get the best educational value. What you see in the VR goggles is almost exactly the same as what you see in real life. Combine that with the ability to do spot test quizzes, to be able to use multiplayer, so with multiple people being in the same room, doing the same anatomy lessons. I think that's something that makes Enatom unique. So one thing that's really important for us is that we don't decide what's going to be in the VR, how it's working. Of course, there's a basis, there has to be a good basis in showing the models. But from that point onwards, we want to make sure that we make something that's usable. That's why we really include the teachers and the students in what do you actually need and how should it look like in order for you to use it. So one of the things we did to make the app easy accessible is to introduce QR codes. Those QR codes, they are used to enter a lesson, enter a quiz, or open a specimen. And that's the only thing you have to do. Just look at the QR code and you're in. We've learned that keeping it as simple as possible is just the best, and we try doing that, for example, with the QR codes. So as said, we're not doing this alone. We really like the help of teachers and students in developing this. That being said, if you're interested in helping out, or you just want to test Enatom, either the VR or not VR, just contact us and you'll get a free month of usage.